Oh boy. Oh boy, so you're looking at me like you wanna do something to me.
That chick's on fire.
I've been around the world and seen a lot of sexy girls, but this one hotter than them all by far. Little mom, keep it blazing, blazing. Everything she do is amazing, amazing. The way she moving that thing got me sweating like a dog. Says she getting too hot, so she wanna take it off.
So she wanna take it off.
So she wanna take it off.
Do you wanna take it off?
Do you want